Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix could not upload video on TikTok app. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi connection. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your apps, and from here tap on apps management and search for this TikTok app. Tap on this and type on storage usage and tap on clear cache and clear data and tap on OK. And after that go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then type on Play Store and search for this TikTok and tap on this, and from here you make sure that tap on update. After update your TikTok app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.